Hey crafty friends, I'm Jess from Sparkle Shed Mama, and today I'm taking over Auntie Tay's channel to walk you through 20 of the most common embroidery stitches. All beginner friendly and totally doable, whether you're stitching on a tea towel or leveling up this Bella Canvas heavyweight hoodie that I'm using today. Now let's thread up, slow down, and dive into the magic of stitching. Let's start with the core stitches that will be your go-tos in almost every project. Running stitch, great for dashed lines and borders. The straight stitch, basic but powerful. Use it for outlines, fill, or texture. Split stitch, like a braided version of back stitch with softer texture. Back stitch, ideal for lettering and crisp outlines. The stem stitch, curves like a dream. Use it for vines, lettering, and swirls. Woven wheel, a 3D rosette with a wow factor. Herringbone stitch, crisscrossed for borders or fills. Whipped back stitch, adds a robe-like twist to a basic line. The French knot, a tiny knot with big personality. Seed stitch, like a confetti on your fabric. It's great for fills. Pistol stitch, a French knot with a tail, perfect for floral centers. Lazy daisy, classic for flowers and petals. Chain stitch, bold and textured, like a stitched chain. Feather stitch, perfect for leaves, vines, or borders. Fly stitch, V-shaped, quick, and versatile. Fishbone stitch, ideal for realistic leaves. And don't forget, this Bella Canvas heavyweight hoodie is a dream to stitch on. It's thick, soft, and holds every knot just like a pro. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and check out the blog post and Pinterest board linked below for inspo. Keep stitching and sparkle on, friends.